How do you feel right now, Liam? Fuck you. Sounds about right. Finally made it to the campsite. I think now we just have to walk down, get everything set up. There's a campsite, completely wet, perfect conditions. Right next to the lake so we can take the boat out. I think the next thing that we really have to do is set up our tent. From there, bring everything else down and get our campsite all situated. So we got the tent set up, a little sloppy, but you know, it's a place to sleep tonight. Brandon just showed up, gotta get his tent set up, bringing down all the alcohol now, and then we should be good to go. Finally, time to relax after that. There's a little trail next to our campsite. And I've got to say, it is beautiful. This is cooler number 1 of alcohol. Just one. Haven't even got everything in there yet. All our food's getting set up on the table. We're gonna make dinner in a little bit. So this is our second cooler of alcohol. Got some coconut in there, and then this is just the cherry on top. There's endless amounts of alcohol.
Now we're gonna run out.
That's one man. $145 of alcohol. We forgot the bottle opener, so now we just gotta improvise.
Okay, I forgot to realize I don't have a lid.
I'd be impressed if you could do this.
I've done it many a times, but never with Strongbow apple cider.
Try this. Try this pot. Oh yeah. Thank you, Brandon. It was all worth it. It was all worth it. All the food's out. Now we just gotta set up a fire and get it cooking. So the only challenge now is getting a fire started in the rain. Made a little progress on the fire. Hopefully we can eat within the next hour. I'm gonna ice him while he's taking a piss.
Riley,
What?
what did we just talk about?
Do you want a fire or not? I'll put one back.
Come here for a second.
I'll put one back.
Are those yours?
No.
Did you ask anyone to trade?
No. Shh.
Well, don't do it when you don't ask anyone, Riley.
It's a surprise. Don't say anything.
Riley,
I put one back, okay?
you put one back. Wow.
With one of mine. And John, sorry to do this, but you're getting iced.
You clearly don't know how it works.
Well, it's too late.
I'm not iced though.
You're iced right now.
Talk to them about the rules and we'll talk about it after.
John, God, there's no whys. There have to be rules.
Well, you know what the rule is, Riley?
What?
You give it to them and they gotta touch it first, and then you can ice them. No, like they gotta pick it up before you say anything. They can do it to him right now.
You put it in my hands and you iced me. That's not fair.
You grabbed it.
There was no rules.
There is rules. Ask Brandon. Brandon's the one that told me.
Okay, you didn't tell me the rules prior to me having to chug it.
What I get out?
John iced me. I'm done.
Baby, take control now. We can't even slow down. We don't have to go a while. Welcome to my house. Play the music too loud. Show me what you do now. We don't have to go a while. Welcome to my house. Welcome to my house. Morning comes and you know that you wanna stay. Close the blinds, let's pretend that the time has changed. Keep our clothes on the floor, open up.
Look how fancy we are right now.
Let's continue tonight, come on, celebrate. That's how we do. Sometimes you gotta stay.
Day 2 of camping. I'm so hungover.
We haven't even started.
Feels like a wave of death has come through the campsite. How you guys feeling?
Fuck my toucan.
It is freezing out here. Ripley's okay.
I'm already basically done my first hay yell and I want some water.
Yeah, so we're probably just gonna make some breakfast and go for a boat.
I'm down.
So while the master chef here cooks up some bacon for breakfast, these guys got some wood coming. We can get a fire going tonight. Ripley's chilling. Breakfast is served. Sausage, bacon, eggs, and mozzarella.
Where are the plates?
And now we're about to go out on the boat. First time on the lake. Have your life vest. Have your life vest. Have a life vest, John. Damn, dude, look at us. We are sexy as hell. We're like the Abercrombie and Fitch of the fisherman's catalog. We actually made it out here and we haven't died yet, which is a good sign. Our next stop is over at a little area over there, and behind there should be a waterfall, so we're gonna try and go check that out. So we've almost made it to the waterfall. There it is. Can't really see it very well, but we're gonna dock over there and get a little better view. Here we are, the waterfall oasis.
What they're talking about now.
You can't really capture how beautiful it is here on camera, but there's this nice mist that comes towards your face and it's really refreshing.
How the hell did people get here?
This would be a great campsite. We are literally about as close as we can get to this waterfall. I don't know if it's a very good angle from here, but it is beautiful. It's really beautiful, guys. So we've just paddled over to the other side of the waterfall, and we're gonna try and walk up, maybe get to the top of the waterfall, see where it goes.